Hey everybody, Dr. Fisher here. So I wanted to give you a quick heads up. So Monday night of next week from 5:30 to 7:30, we're going to have an open house. You get to come and meet Dr. Erin Dungan. She's our newest, greatest addition here to the office. She's got a lot of the same training that I do. And one of the fun things that she's going to be offering is what's called the 6 pillars of wellness. So you may not be able to necessarily see it very well on this, but the general idea is she's going to show you what a muscle test looks like, and then she's going to give you a quick screening from that energetic muscle test. And so the things that we're going to be checking for, she's going to be checking for, are cortisol, or we call it our chaos response, candida, you may have heard of that one before from the natural health care perspective, parasites, again, the energy of them, not necessarily physically because we don't have an objective test, but this is energetically testing for these things. Protein, so that's the ability to digest protein and to receive protein. Leaky gut, you've probably heard of that term, as well as biofilms. This is the 6 pillars of wellness in relationship to some of our favorite doctor, Randall Robergs, who created this program that we're working with here. And so Dr. Erin will be offering that on Monday night. So if that's something of interest to you, go ahead and sign up with the sheet below or contact the office to let us know that that's something you're interested in. We'll look forward to seeing you on Monday. Dr. Fisher signing out.